Hello guys, Tom Yana here from Tech with Tom, and welcome to another exciting time as we build websites and make the internet beautiful with Python and Django. Welcome to this web development tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to build an affiliate website using Cactus and host it free on Netlify. Before we continue, I'd like you guys to subscribe to this channel and like the video, hit the like button and share with your friends. Thank you so much. Okay, so what is Cactus? Cactus is actually a static site generator which is actually built with Python and is using Django templates. Okay, so why affiliate website today? Okay, affiliate marketing is one of the ways that web developers and online workers or marketers use in making money. So I think is a good time for you to start making money from whatsoever you're doing online. Okay, so well, affiliate marketing is a whole bunch of things altogether, and we are not going to talk much about that. We are not getting into that, okay, in this tutorial, but you can use the knowledge gained from this lesson to build your affiliate website. Okay, so however, let me just talk a little bit about affiliate marketing. Okay, there are lots of big guys like the Amazon, the eBays, and the AliExpress, and there are a lot of them that you can actually register with their or enroll in their affiliate program and make money by advertising their products on your website. And social media is has become a very busy place these days. Okay, so it's an opportunity for you to make some cash while you spend time on your Facebook and Twitter and the rest of them. Okay, so enough talking and let's get started. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to be building this website. See this website? This is actually an affiliate website I built, and basically the website is all about female handbags, purses, and wallets. So, and I'm actually enrolled in Amazon affiliate program. So all these items you can see here, they are actually from Amazon shop, and with this, any person that get to buy any item from Amazon through a backlink from this website, I will have a percentage of whatsoever amount the person paid in getting that item. So what I have to do is just to choose a niche, which is the handbags and niche I choose, and advertise it with to my friends, and I can even pay money to advertise it and get sales. And whenever they buy, whenever you click on any of these links, for instance, if you click on this, it will take you straight to Amazon shop, that item on Amazon shop. So, and this item costs $38.99, and it's free shipping. So, but though I'm targeting the US market, and whosoever buys this item, I get like 10%, okay, of whatsoever amount the person pays. Okay, so the logic behind this is something that is a whole set of things altogether, but we're going to build this beautiful website. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to be using some few tools, and here are the tools we're going to be using. We definitely use Python, so ensure Python is installed on your computer. And if you don't have Python installed, you can go to Google and search for Python, or you can just go to Python website, www.python.org, and you can download Python from there. And the second thing we're going to be using is the Cactus. Cactus, like I said, is actually a static site generator, so we're going to be building the Django template. Cactus is going to do all that for us, but of course you need a little knowledge of Django for you to be able to manipulate and work with the views, and the URLs has been taken care of by Cactus. So after building, Cactus automatically converts our Django template into a static website that we can copy and just drag and drop on Netlify. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing. And the next thing we're going to need, of course, Django, you as you install Cactus, Django is one of the dependencies that will be installed along. And of course, we will need a text editor, and the text editor we're going to be using is Sublime Text 3. I'll be using Google Chrome to do our testing. Okay, so, and the program we're going to be using, the affiliate program we're going to be using, is the one I registered with Amazon. Okay, so, and hosting is going to be on Netlify. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is to set up our Cactus, configure the Cactus, and make sure we've done everything correctly. Then after that, we'll get a Bootstrap template online. I'll show you how you can get a Bootstrap template online. And of course, you can just register a domain name at a very cheap rate. I think GoDaddy with $1.17, you can get a domain name for 1 year. Then subsequently, you pay like $17 for that. Okay, so after that, we're going to get a Bootstrap template. Then we'll configure the Bootstrap template to look exactly like this. And of course, we'll be getting our products, the items will be advertising on our website from Amazon, and after that we'll host it. So stick around as we do this together. Okay, so let's get to Cactus. The terminal we are going to be using is Anaconda Prompt 3. Okay, I didn't mention that, so let's go to our terminal. Anaconda 3, you open it, run it as an administrator. So click it to run it. So when it opens, it's going to your Windows System 32 if you're on Windows. So I'm going to move out of that directory by typing cd space double full stop and cd again double full space double full stop. So now I'm in my drive C. We're going to create this website on our desktop. Okay, so what I will do is I will cd into my users. I will cd into my computer name, which is Tomberry. Then I will cd into my desktop. Okay, so here now I'm going to create a folder on the desktop. And to create a folder on the desktop, from the terminal or the command line, I will say make mkdir, then the name of the folder I want to create, and I'm going to call the shop, and we'll call it Explify shop. So I'll just say Explify shops. Okay, that's the name of the folder. So that folder has been created. If you want to check, there are a bunch of things on the desktop, but if you want to check what is on the desktop, you can just type DIRO and you can see everything there, and you see the folder we just created, Explify shop. So we're going to cd into that folder. So cd into Explify shops. Okay, so now we're there, and the next thing we're going to do, we're going to install our virtual environment, so we can install all the programs we'll be using, the dependencies we'll be using. So to install our virtual environment, now that we are in that directory, what we're going to do is we are going to pip install the virtual environment. So pip install virtual env. So wait for it to be installed, and what that will do, it will install the virtual environment in that path. Okay, and all the necessary dependencies. So we just wait for it to be installed. So you can see, so now that I've installed the virtual environment, I will use that virtual environment now to create a path, virtual env, and I'll put Tido. That's called Tido, right? Tido, yeah. So /path like this, /2 /Cactus. So this directory is where we'll be installing our Cactus. So click enter. Okay, we'll just wait for it to create that directory for us in our Explify shops folder. And of course, this will create a CPython. CPython is actually Python written for C programming. Okay, so it's going to install CPython 3.7.4 in this Cactus directory. Okay, so just wait for it to get completed. So it has created virtual environment CPy. You can see this now. It has created virtual environment CPython 3.7.3. Okay, so now what we're going to do is to cd into that directory. So to do that, we just say cd or atido /pat/2/cactus. Okay, so we are in that Cactus directory now. So what we're going to do is to activate the virtual environment that was installed. Okay, activate, we say scripts /activate. Okay, so you can see that the virtual environment has been activated, which is Cactus by name. Okay, so now that we've activated this virtual environment, we are going to install our Cactus now in that virtual environment. So to install the Cactus, we'll easy install, easy_install Cactus. Okay, so this will install Cactus and all the dependencies that are needed, including Django, okay, in the directory that we created. So we'll install Cactus and we'll just wait for it to be installed. Install PyPy. That's where it's installing from. Cactus install from PyPy and all the dependencies. So Nado and 6 and Boto, everything will be installed, including Django. And the Django that will be installed is actually the very low version. Django right now is version 3 point something, but the one that will be installed, the one that Cactus is using, is 1.6. You can see that here, 1.6, 1.7. Okay, so we just wait for the installation to be completed. Okay, so Cactus and all the dependencies are finished installing. So everything has been installed now. So the next thing we're going to do is to create our Django site using Cactus, and Cactus does that perfectly for us. It creates all the folder. We don't need to, if you're setting up Django environments, you need to install Django and configure your view and configure your URL. Cactus has taken care of all that, and even have a folder in the .build where all your templates and your static files are converted to a static site. Okay, so it removes how Django template is being configured. You have the base and you have to extend the base, and you load the static and you do your settings in your settings.py, but you don't need to do all that. Cactus has taken care of all that. So now let's create our website. So we say Cactus create, and we put atido / and we're going to call it Explify, the name of the website, Explify shops. Okay, and hit enter. So just you see a new project has been created. Okay, so if what we're going to do now, let's just dir to check our directory. Let's see our directory tree. You see a lot of things, how everything is being configured. This is the tree. Okay, so it's quite a lot of work that Cactus have to do for us, okay, with all the dependencies, the way it's being configured. Okay, so we are going to cd into our website, our project directory we just created. So we say cd tido and / we called it was Explify shops. So we are in that directory now. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is now we are done with the major things, so we can now run our server to check our website it was installed. So to do that, you just say Cactus serve like this. Okay, hit enter, and you see that Cactus run on the same ports that Django uses on our local computer. So you can just Ctrl+C to copy this, and we'll go back to our browser and just paste that in and hit enter. Boom, you see everything has been taken care of. This is the website. Welcome to Cactus. Get started with this template based on HTML5 boilerplate. Go ahead, explore. Okay, so you can see that all the URLs are working. Our menu, home, contacts, and even the drop down, everything is working. Projects. And okay, so like I said, this is actually a static website. We are not dealing with any database. So, and of course, the website we are trying to build, which is this website, you don't need a database. Okay, because virtually all you need is your JavaScript, and the JavaScript does all the magic for us by displaying all these items from Amazon shop. So now that we are done with setting up our website, we're going to get a template, and though we're going to do that in the next video. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next tutorial.